Do your dishes, pans and plates and cutlery come out of your dishwasher like a Christina Aguilera song? Dirty. Does your dishwasher smell like wet wolf? If it does, then this is the vlog for you. I'm going to be showing you guys how to load your dishwasher the right way, the HAYLEY'S Help way, and we're going to add a little sprinkling of HAYLEY'S Help to get the dishwasher clean, sterile and stink free. Let's get going. First up is the cleaning of the dishwasher, featuring tea and lemon, bleach, OXO good grips, and don't forget to top up your rinse aid. Cleaning the dishwasher is so simple and will prolong the life of your appliance. Focus on areas like the sill and the sides of the door. These can get really gross and dirty. So clean them once a week with bleach or vinegar. %, of 1,015 UK adults surveyed admitted that they don't regularly clean their home appliances, and a quarter of Brits have replaced their appliances more frequently as a result of lack of cleaning. That is a costly business right there, team. Rinse the filter after every wash cycle. Yep, that's right, Dreamboats. Every single wash cycle, the filter should be rinsed out. To get the inside clean and banish the odours, mix black tea with lemon juice in a dishwasher safe cup and place in the top shelf of the dishwasher. The tannic acid in the tea will cut through any grease or dirt build-up, while the lemons will tackle any water spots and deodorise. Run it on the hottest wash cycle and your dishwasher will sparkle. Now tackle the door using a toothbrush or OXO good grips brush to get in any crevices. Spray a good antibacterial cleaner onto a clean cloth and pay particular attention to the door handle. Germs and bacteria like hanging out here. Now let's talk about the oh so inconvenient items we have that can go in the dishwasher. And after several attempts of loading these, you feel like you're playing a game of Jenga and the dishwasher always defeats you. Well, not on my watch, babe. The most important thing to remember here is, if the blades can spin, then keep it in. If the blades don't rotate, then honey, move those plates. The biggest problem with dishes coming out dirty is they've not been stacked correctly, or you have something obstructing the blade. So if it's not spinning correctly and blitzing away that grime, place larger items at the bottom, making sure they are facing down. Anything that will collect and hold water will also collect and hold the dirt of your dishes. Use the glass wrap clasp to stop glasses falling over and make sure they are clipped in secure to their slots. Your dishwasher is like a Disneyland ride and we want everyone secure and safe. Make sure your dishwasher is always topped up with rinse aid. This will keep your glasses and plates sparkling. comes to loading everyday items, place all cutlery together but not overcrowded. This makes it so much easier when unloading. So knives with knives, spoons with spoons, forks with forks. Forking out. You want to leave a space between each plate or bowl as you want the water and detergent to cover the entire item to ensure it gets properly cleaned. Place large utensils in the top drawer. Now you have a happy appliance to form an alliance. Watching today's vlog, guys. I hope you have found it informative. If you have done, go ahead and hit the like button. Don't forget to click subscribe for some more Hayley's Help content. I will be back again the same time next week, and if you want to share any of the Hayley's helpful hacks across your social medias, go forth and do so using the hashtag Hayley's Helpful Hacks. Until next time, guys, keep it clean.